In this video, we will learn how to install Intellij IDEA on Windows 11. For that, first we need Java. So in the first step, we will install Java. Then we will install Intellij IDEA. So let us start with the first step to install Java. Go to the web browser. On Google, type Oracle Java and press enter. The official website is visible. Click on it. Here is the official website, oracle.com/java. I'll click the download Java button. Click here. Now the Java downloads section is visible. Go below. Here different versions are visible. I'll go for the following. I am on Windows, so I'll select Windows. Here an installer file as well as an MSI installer file is visible. You can use any one. I'll go for the installer, that is the exe file. Click on it to download. The download started. Let's wait. The download completed. Right click and click open to begin the installation. Minimize. The installation started. Click next. Java will get installed under the following location, that is under program files. No problem. Click next. Now the installation started. Let's wait. We have successfully installed Java. Click close. Now let us set the path. Go to the location where we installed Java. It was under C drive, program files. Here it is Java. Double click on JDK, double click bin and copy this path. Minimize. Go to start. Type environment variables. Here edit the system environment variables is visible. Click open. Under advanced, click environment variables. Now under system variables, double click path. Here click new and paste the same path. Right click paste. So we have pasted the bin path. Click OK. After clicking OK, under system variables, click new. Under variable name, enter Java underscore home. Under the variable value, right click and paste. But here remove bin. That's it. Now click OK. OK. And the last OK. Now we have installed Java. Let us verify. Go to start. Type cmd. Click open. Type Java --version and press enter. This shows that we successfully installed Java. Close this. Now let us download Intellij IDEA. Go to the browser. Go to new tab and here type Intellij IDEA and press enter. The official website is visible. Click on it. So Intellij IDEA is owned by JetBrains. After reaching here, click the download button. Now after reaching here, you can see Intellij IDEA is now a single unified product. So you just need to download this. Just click the download button. The download started. Let's wait. We have downloaded the exe file of Intellij IDEA. Right click and click open to begin the installation. Minimize. The setup started. Click next. Choose the installation location. Intellij IDEA will get installed here, that is under program files, and it will take only 4 GB. Click next. Select the installation options. I'll select this so that a desktop shortcut gets created. Click next. Choose start menu folder, keep it as it is and click install. Now Intellij IDEA will get installed. Let's wait. We have installed Intellij IDEA. When I'll click finish, it will run. If I'll select this, or you can also double click the shortcut. I'll select this and click finish. Now Intellij IDEA will open. Now Intellij IDEA opened. From here you can click customize so that you can change the theme, but I'll keep it as it is, dark theme. You can also increase the ID font, but I'll keep the default. Click projects. To create a new project, click new project. Add the project name. Let's say I'll add Amit application. Okay, so it automatically detected that we installed Java, so it took the same path. You can see the same path is visible. C program files Java. Okay, with that you can remove this, add sample code, click advanced setting, and you can check this, but I'll keep it as it is. This is the location of your project. Okay, click create. Now our first project will get created. Here is our first project. Here is our first project, Amit application, and the path is visible. Here it is. Let us create a new file under the source folder. Right click, click new, select Java class. Now add the class name. Let's say I'll add demo. When I'll press enter, it will automatically add the .java extension because class is by default selected. Press enter. Now a demo.java file will get created. Here it is. Now let us run our first program. Go to my website studiopedia.com. Here select this Java tutorial. We will add this link in the video description also. Then click run first program, and here copy this program. Right click copy. Remove this. Right click paste. Now remember the class file should be equivalent to the file name, so I'll add demo here. Rest I'll keep the same. It will print whatever we will add inside println, that is it will print studiopedia Java tutorial, and in the next line it will print our first Java program. Not a problem. Go to file, click save all, right click and click run demo. Now our first program will run. Here it is, the output is visible, studiopedia Java tutorial and our first Java program. So for a free Java tutorial, refer to the link in the description of the video. We have also explained this program. With that, refer to our website Studiopedia for free tutorials.